I'm up 1,900%, $22 to open this position. Welcome to Kryptonite. My name is Ife, and in this video I am going to show you how I make money using my phone. There are two apps I use when making money using my phone. You would have to go to your Play Store or your App Store. The first app you would have to download is called Binance. Binance is the platform I use when trading, and make sure you download the original, the main Binance app. Now, when you've downloaded the Binance app, you would have to register. The second app I use for technical analysis is called TradingView. So you would have to download this also and make sure you register. It is free. Registering on Binance and TradingView is free. These are the two apps. Click on Binance. When you've registered for your Binance account, this is how your home page will look like. Before I make a trade, I would first have to do technical analysis. That means I would have to exit my Binance app and go to my TradingView app. Now you click on TradingView for technical analysis. This is TradingView. The coin I traded is called Synthetix. You would have to do your research later. Click on this plus sign at this top corner right here and search for SNX USDT. So you would have to click on Binance here. This is the exchange you'll be trading from, so you have to click on Binance SNX USDT. This is the Synthetix price chart. When I want to place a trade on Binance, I come over here to my TradingView account and I do technical analysis, and I look at the chart for corresponding price patterns in the chart. As I studied the chart, I noticed that there was a pattern forming called a falling wedge. Now, a falling wedge is a bullish pattern, which means that it is a pattern formed in a price chart where the price goes down steadily and squeezes. When it goes down steadily and squeezes in such manner, it then explodes to the upside at the end of the pattern. If you follow my videos, you will know exactly what I'm talking about when I say price patterns. There is a video I made on how to trade and how to use price patterns. You can watch it right there, up there in the top of this video. Now let's continue. This was the pattern I saw forming in the chart. Now this is called a falling wedge. Price tends to break upward towards the end of this pattern. Now what I did was I waited for the breakout. When the price broke out from this falling pattern, that was when I entered my trade. The price broke out at around 3.4 Synthetix. That was where I entered my trade. So I entered my trade at around 3.4 Synthetix and I exited my trade at around 5.5 Synthetix. In a falling wedge, the price target in a falling wedge is always the beginning of that falling wedge. For example, in this price chart, the price target normally should be the beginning of this falling wedge, which should be around 6.3 Synthetix. But I was okay with my profit and I took my profit at around 5.5 Synthetix. Now let me show you the video I made of my trade. Now this is my trade. I've been on this trade for some time right now. Now as you can see, I entered the trade at around 3.4 Synthetix. Right now I am up 1,900%. As you can see, it only cost me $22 to open this position. I've made about $418. Now I am about to close this trade and take my profit. The trade has been closed and I've taken my profit on this trade. Let me show you how traders make more money with less. As you can see on my trade, I entered at around 3.4 Synthetix and I closed at around 5.5 Synthetix. The percentage gain of this trade is 61 26.14% to the upside. Normally, this is a trade of 61.14%, but on Binance, my percentage gain, my return on equity was around 1900% to the upside. Now, as you can see, I made more money with less. As you can see, I am going to show you how to do that on Binance. Now let's go over to the Binance app. How I used $20 to make over $400 is by leveraging. On Binance, you can leverage trade. That means you make more money with less. For example, if you are using 10x leverage, that means when the price of the asset you are trading goes up 1%, you make 10% on your trade. The same goes with 20x leverage, and the same goes with 30x leverage up to 50x leverage. The leverage limit depends on the asset you are trading. Understand? For example, if it was Bitcoin you are trading, there is leverage up to 125x. So that means if the price goes up 1% in Bitcoin, you make 125% on leverage. Now, what you need to know on leverage is that for every leverage, there is a liquidation price. And I am going to discuss all this in the next video. If you want to learn how to use the Binance app, I will drop a step-by-step tutorial on how to use the Binance app. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and try subscribe to my YouTube channel. I make videos like this on how you can make money trading. And also, if you haven't seen that video right there, now click it right now and I will see you in the next video.